Hello everyone, it's been a long time, but today I have an Ipsy unboxing for the Ipsy Plus for the month of June. Okay, so let me look at the bag first. Okay, so here's the bag for the Ipsy Plus. Bunch of beach girls, that's cute. And then the zipper is silver and the inside is yellow as well. It's got the Ipsy logo. This one's pretty cute. Good for summer. Okay, let me look at the card. Okay, so unfortunately, this is the first time actually I've gotten a card where I didn't get the information about the products. I've heard that people sometimes get the prices and sometimes they get something like this. This is the first time I've gotten this though. So I won't be able to tell you the prices. So the first item in my box is from Flesh to Flesh Highlighter Powder. I got it in 300 Boost. I think that's the color. I'm not entirely sure since I don't have the card. I can't really tell you. Okay, Boost, yeah. Okay. I like the packaging. It's pretty. And it does come with the mirror. I'm just not going to show you the mirror part. And I like the big pan. Ooh, it looks really pretty. So I'm going to try it out. And hopefully you can see it. Yeah, it's showing on the camera. So that's pretty. I will definitely try that out. Okay, so the next item I have is from Sakate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Okay, I have gotten items from Sakate before. I do like their brand. And I forgot to tell you, but this is the first time I've gotten anything from Flesh. I've never heard of it. So I'm excited to try that out. Okay, so this is how the pan looks. I can barely read what it says on here. It says the same thing as the box. What is the color? That's what I'm looking for. Wicked. Okay. Oh, okay, it says right here, but you can barely see it. I don't know why they would do white letters on a queer thing. They should do like black letters. I don't know. Okay. And then I like that this holds it down. Let's try it out. Okay, we're still recording. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's very, very pretty. I normally wouldn't wear purple, but this is a pretty color. And I like how it shimmers. So I'm definitely going to try this out. Okay, so far, I'm liking this box. The next item we have is from Dr. Brent. And it's a Luminizer Primer. Pores no more. Oh, I definitely need help with my pores. My pores are horrible, especially on my nose. Okay, so let's see. All skin types. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM and PM. Okay. If you hear that bird, it sounds like, because I think they were fixing our roof. It sounds like a bird got caught in our roof, which sucks because I hope they're not done with it, because that means the bird's just going to die in the roof. Okay, so anyway, moving on. I'm definitely going to try this out. The next item I got is from Police. I don't know if that's the way you say it. But the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleaning milk. Okay, I have received items from this brand before. And this brand too, I forgot to mention that. I've, not a primer, but I've gotten like, you know, in the $10 Ipsy bags, like the small trial size. Okay, now, I've gotten face masks from this brand. I have a moisturizer from this brand. And I think I have a primer. But I don't have anything in the Blue Lotus. The primer and the moisturizer is from, I forget what, like, scent or whatever it is. I'll have to look that up. But I definitely haven't had anything from this one. Okay, so let's see. Use on damp skin and rinse lightly with warm water. Follow with serums and moisturizers. Okay. I'd like to try this because I haven't tried a cleansing milk before. So I'm excited for that. And the last product that I received is by Araceli. I don't know if that's the brand's name. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. And it's a liquid eyeliner. Oh, it's liquid. I thought it was a pencil. Oh, okay. And it's in the color Coffee Cafe, which I'm super excited about because I always get black eyeliners. And I like brown because it's a real dark brown. I don't know if you can see how dark it is. But I'm supposed to be, because of the color of my eyes, I should be wearing brown eyeliner. And so yeah, I'm excited for this. I wish it was a pencil though, personally, but, and it doesn't like leak into my lines in my hand. Like I've had liquid eyeliners do that before. As soon as I put it in, it goes into my lines, and I don't like that. So I'm glad this doesn't. So I'm really going to try this because I'm really happy about this one. So all in all, I think this box is one of the best boxes I've gotten, to be honest. Because I love highlighters. I got the brown eyeliner. I have a shadow. And I'm not really into, like, skincare, but, you know, what you're going to do, because it's probably going to have skincare in every box. So, but at least this is new stuff, like nothing I've tried before. So, let me know what you think about this box. Did you get the same items, or did you get different ones? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.